Hey folks, this is Brett with Linda Local. In this video, we're going to talk about Google Business Profile posting through our location management. So, what you will do when you are looking at the business that you manage, if there's more than one here, that's fine. Whichever one you want to create a post for, just go ahead and click on it. And over in this column on the left, you'll see the option for posts. So, click on posts. If you scroll down, you can take a look at your post history if you have previously posted. To create a new one, we want to click this blue Add Post button. And the first thing you'll notice is that there are 4 different post types. So a standard post is just going to contain text and potentially an image. Whereas you can also create an event. This would be something like a Memorial Day sale, for example. You would put in the event title here, the start and end dates, and then a call to action button. So if you want people to be able to book an appointment, for example, click on book, and then you would put in a link where people can book, order online, to buy, learn more, sign up, or call now. An offer works very similarly. So the offer title would go here. Let's just say that you're offering 25% off for the 4th of July weekend. You create an offer title, would put 4th of July sale. Start date, maybe we would do July 1st through the 4th of July. Coupon code, so if people are able to order things through your website, you could put 4th July or whatever your coupon code may be. If there is a link to redeem the offer, you'd paste it in here. And then if you have any terms, you'd put them here. So you could say sale only good until July 4th. The 4th post type is an alert. And alerts, there's only one type of alert, and it's if something has to do with COVID-19. So if you want to let people know that hey, our staff will be wearing face masks. We have hand sanitizer available. That would be the kind of thing that you would put under alert. Now that we've gone over the different post types, let's talk about what a post is. So we see the business title here, Traffic Runners. Summary. Traffic Runners would like you to know that we are having a wonderful start to the season. Please come by soon and speak to someone from our staff. Okay, now the option that you see here, regenerate spend tags. Spin text is a way for you to create some variety. So if you open a curly bracket, which is this character here, you can put in different options. I'll use a very generic sort of set of choices here. We could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll close this bracket. And you see in the preview window over here, it's chosen one of these. Because there's 4 choices, there's a 25% chance that any given one of these will get selected. If I click on regenerate spin tax, you see now that it says number 4, there's always a 25% chance this will remain the same in this case, or a 75% chance it will change to one of the other ones. So as I click this numerous times, you can just sort of see how it changes. You can make spin tax as complicated as you like. This is the simplest possible example where there's just sort of one word choices here. You could do entire sentences. I'll show you what that looks like. Hello, how are you? We could put Greetings. We hope you're having a great day. Close that. And so here, because there's two different choices, when we click on regenerate spin tax, there's a 50-50 chance it'll stay the same and a 50-50 chance it will change. Okay, so the next button down here that says insert previous post SERP URL. What it does is create a link to the previous post. So let's say this is not the first post for this location. This link will, you could say something like, please take a look at this link to have a look at our previous offer. The reasons you might want to do this are kind of all over the place, but again, so it's called daisy chaining your posts, and if you'd like to do that, this is the button that allows you to. And then the business website URL. The post will show up both on Google Business Profile, and if you've created one of Google's free .business.site websites, the post will show up there as well. So you can link to it either or both ways. If you would like to include an image in your post, right here, you can click on select image. You'll see that there's two different choices. Upload will allow you to upload a new picture from your hard drive. The gallery option here, these are pictures that have been uploaded to Linda Local's location management in the past. There will be a completely separate video as far as media post goes, so we'll discuss more about that in that video. But you are able to insert an image into your post right here. You don't need to, though. And then, of course, you can schedule it. If you clicked submit right now, this post would go live immediately. However, let's say instead of having it go live right away, we would want this to post for next Friday afternoon. You would click on the right date and then select the right time. So here I've got 3:15 in the afternoon. And then you have an option to make a recurring post. So the reason Spintax is so useful is for recurring posts. If you include several instances of Spintax, like this one has 2 instances of Spintax, but you could create a post with, say, 5 different instances of Spintax, so that every time you click on regenerate Spintax, the post will look a little bit different. Recurring post gives you these 2 fields. So recurrent days, if I click 7, that means that this post will go live every 7 days, once a week. And then for the count, if I put 10, for the next 10 weeks. So these are kind of the posting the posting options if you're posting to a single location. We also have bulk posting. So if you're managing more than one location, we could go to a multi-location post. If you've never had a multi-location post before, you will see this screen. We will either click on new multi-location post right here, or this blue new multi-location post in the corner. Now, this particular Linda Local account is only managing a single location. But if you are managing more than one, you'll be able to select them from this drop-down menu. And so we would go through everything we just did. The last one was a standard post. Let's say this time we're having an event. We'll call it Memorial Day Sale. Start date, when is that? September. We'll just make it for the entire month of September. So it's September 1st through September 30th. We'll have the option to call now. So this call now button will just insert the phone number that is associated with your Google Business Profile. And then we would just go ahead and create our post here. Summary, we'll put Traffic Runners is having a Memorial Day sale. All goods and wares will be 10% off for the entire month of September. We have the same options here. We could include some spin tags. We could say, we hope to see you in September. Another choice, you've got an entire month to take advantage of our sale. Close the bracket. And so if we wanted to make this a recurring post, you can see that it would switch between these. And I've made this sort of instance of spin tags a little bit more complex than the last one. Again, you can create entire paragraphs to use for spin tags if you'd like. If we want to link to previous posts, if this post were going live to more than one location, this placeholder link that you see right here would sort of be customizable, and it would apply to each individual location that the post goes to. And then we have the other option to link to the post that way. Same deal with images. If you want to include an image, you can either upload a new one or choose a previously uploaded one from the gallery. And then you are able to schedule these as well. So since we made our start and stop dates the entire month of September, maybe in late August we would like this post to go live. We'll pick the Tuesday morning before September starts, and then we can make this a recurrent post. We do once a week for 4 weeks, so for the entire month of September people would be able to see it. You are able to shift the event start and end date, which is something honestly you probably don't need to worry about. Just go ahead and put the start and end dates in here. The other bulk posting option, we have CSV bulk uploads. So this video right here will take you to a YouTube tutorial that kind of walks you through what we're looking for. But you can create a spreadsheet where each one of these cells is one of the different options from a bulk post. So if we take a look at the bulk posting options again, you can see that there are many different options. So one of the cells would correspond with your post type, whether it's standard, event, offer, or alert. One of the cells, if you would have chosen event, would be for event title, the start date, end date, the call to action button that you'd like. Same deal for if you'd chosen an offer post, there'd be a corresponding cell for each one of these fields. One of the cells would allow you to type in the text body. One of the differences is if you want to use an image in your CSV bulk upload, instead of being able to upload an image through our platform, you would need to link directly to it. So it would be something like https imager.com/ I don't know exactly how these URLs work, but let's just say /a/1jkl.jpg. You would just need to link directly to a JPEG or a PNG file. But again, we have a separate video that kind of goes over our CSV bulk upload for bulk posting. That's how posts work through Lynda Local. You are welcome to contact support if you have additional questions, or look at our help document that runs you through all of this. That's going to do it for this video. Take care.